Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE Quiet Comfort Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, install BOSE app. Make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone. Select your earbuds. And now follow the instructions. Sometimes you'll have to enable nearby device permission. Now go back, and as you can see, our headphones are discovered. All set, get started, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.